Hello, Bethany. This is Joseph. Sorry for the wait, but yeah, what I'm going to talk about are the key elements to ranking organically. And what is ranking organically? That means organically being in the maps, organically being on the first page. All right. And why is this important? Because 90%, I would say 94% of the top 10 businesses get 94% of the traffic. All right. And you got people paying for ads, paying for ads. Why do they pay for ads? Because they know the value of being on page one. Okay. GL not only is organically here, but they're also paying for ads to occupy more spaces on page one because it, like, again, they know the value of it. Okay. And how do you get there? So number one is this map listing. All right. I know you have one, but this map listing not only builds trust with Google, it builds trust with uh, people that are in the market to purchase your services, right? So like if I'm looking for home repair or foundation repair and I see this guy versus you, right? Who do you think they're going to go with? Like they're looking at these reviews, like these people have like 208 reviews, right? So do you have a system to gather reviews? Right? That's something to consider because I'm sure you've done more than five jobs, right? I'm sure you've done more than five jobs, and you want to have a system in place to where when you're finished, uh, the your customers get like a link or like a text message with a link saying, "Hey, would you mind giving us a review?" And on top of that, right, to like combat any upset customers, you don't want to just send them directly to your review page, which would be this right here, this link. You don't want to send them directly here, right? You want a funnel. You want to send them to a funnel that's like a questionnaire. I'm like, hey, on the scale of 1 to 10, if how did we do? If they don't give you at least a 7, if they give you like a 6 or below, we let them just put their comment in. Oh, these guys sucked, and then we just throw it out the window. If they give you like a 7 to 10, then yeah, we forward them to that last page that you saw that lets them leave a review. All right. And just optimizing this thing 110%. Like, see why this says own this business is asking me if I own this business. Right. So just go in there and just fill everything out head to toe. Okay. Citations. You do have citations and they go off of your name, address, and phone number. Let me see. These are all citations that you have from Yelp, Facebook, Alignable, MapQuest, Nextdoor, but there's literally hundreds and hundreds of places that you can get citations, and all of them need to be used and utilized. All right. Content is the words on your website. It must be authoritative and it needs to be relevant to searchers. Now, I typed in sump pumps and Wikipedia pops up first because Wikipedia is the most authoritative uh, site on the topic of sump pumps. So this is really no different than any service that you provide. Okay, you want to be the Wikipedia of that service. So if one of your services is drainage solutions or home leveling solutions, let's just type this in. If someone's looking for home leveling, in North Richland Hills, right? You want to be the authority on the topic of home leveling, right? If you're going to talk about the piers, if you're going to talk about the mud jacks, you just want to go into depth on this topic. I'm gonna show you because I've done this for lots of foundation repair. So let's say like someone's looking for foundation repair in Philadelphia or Swarthmore, PA. Let's look. My website. See, Swarthmore is a suburb. See, I pretty much got this whole metro area locked down when it comes to foundation repair. But you see, we're gonna go into this real quick so I can give you a quick example. Now services. See, I made sure every service that we offer has its own page. Now let's just say like slab lifting and leveling. Like I try to like slam this thing with so much content so that I become the Wikipedia of slab lifting and leveling. Now is this ranked? Is this ranked yet? I'm not sure. It's still a work in progress. But when someone's looking for slab lifting and leveling in Philadelphia, you want to be, I want my site to be the one that comes up. See, Philadelphia Foundation Repair, that's me right there. Okay, that's what you want. Like, you want to talk about the different types of piers and beams. I don't, maybe you have like a lifetime warranty for every installation. Maybe like on this page, uh, you want to talk about the price per pier, right? Some people charge like 100, some people charge 500, but the guys that charge more, they have a lifetime warranty, right? Stuff like that. But the point is, you want to write as much content about each service that you provide so that you become the authority on that topic. And that's definitely going to help you out. And after this is backlinking. I know I'm slamming all this on you. You might not understand some of the stuff that I'm talking about, but these basic key elements right here are really all like any business really needs to start ranking organically. And backlinks are simply votes from other sites. So anything that has a URL, I don't know if you can see this, but this right here, this is a URL. Your Facebook page is going to have a URL. Your website has a URL. This is a URL. And why it's important to have individual pages. See, like right here, we'll take this word, and when you have it your own page, it'll say, it'll have this, right? This will be the URL for Slab Foundation. So if there's like a service that you really want to push, you could backlink. I don't only do this. Let me show you a hack. But I would also make that page say just like that. And so this whole URL can get backlinked too. So you're pushing juice to this, not only your main website, your homepage, but you're also pushing juice to like these different service pages that you have, right? So if this is like the only um, page that has all your services, then you can't really do that, right? So just in Philadelphia, just Philadelphia. This isn't the other suburbs around there, right? Just almost 100 calls in the last 30 days, right? And this is all results of ranking organically on page one. I don't run ads for this business. I simply rank the services in the specific areas. All right. So hopefully this was kind of informative. I try to keep this short. I know it's 8 minutes, but there's just like a lot I wanted to show you real quick on things that we could do.